Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable tag in WordPress using plugin, complete guide step by step clearly. To disable tag in WordPress using a plugin, start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section in the left sidebar. Click on Add New to search for a suitable plugin. In the search bar, type Header and Footer Scripts. Locate the plugin called Insert Headers and Footers, developed by WP Beginner. Click on the Install Now button to add the plugin to your site. After the installation completes, click on Activate to enable the plugin. Once activated, go to the Settings section in the left sidebar. Select Insert Headers and Footers from the drop-down menu. You will see fields for adding code to the header and footer. To disable tag, locate the section where tag code is currently placed. Remove the tag tracking script from this section. If you need to add any additional scripts, you can do so in the same fields. After making your changes, scroll down and click the Save button. Your tag code should now be successfully disabled on your WordPress site. To verify the changes, visit your website and check the source code. Make sure that the tag script is no longer present. You have now completed the process of disabling tag in WordPress using a plugin. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.